Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce with a beginner's guide on how to sell on Amazon. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or grow your business, let's get started. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. The first step is to create an Amazon seller account. Head over to the Amazon Seller Central website and follow the registration process. Choose between an individual or professional account based on your selling volume. Step 2. Understand Amazon seller fees. Before you start listing products, it's crucial to understand Amazon's fee structure. Familiarize yourself with referral fees, fulfillment fees, and any other associated costs. You can use the Amazon fee calculator to estimate your expenses. Step 3. Research and choose your niche. Next, research potential products and choose a niche. Consider factors like demand, competition, and profit margins. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to help with product research. Step 4. List your products on Amazon. Now, let's list your products. Navigate to the Inventory tab in Seller Central and click Add a Product. Provide detailed product information, including titles, descriptions, and high-quality images. Step 5. Optimize your product listings. Optimize your product listings for search by using relevant keywords. Craft compelling product titles, informative bullet points, and a persuasive product description. This helps your products appear in relevant searches. Step 6. Fulfillment options. Decide on your fulfillment method by choosing either Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) or Fulfillment by Merchant (FBM). FBA means Amazon handles storage, packing, and shipping, while FBM requires you to manage these aspects yourself. Step 7. Set competitive prices. Set competitive prices for your products. Consider your costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value. Use Amazon's automated pricing tools or adjust prices manually to stay competitive. Step 8. Manage your Amazon seller account. Regularly monitor your Seller Central dashboard. Keep an eye on your inventory levels, respond to customer inquiries promptly, and manage your orders efficiently. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to sell on Amazon. I hope this video has been helpful in kickstarting your Amazon journey. If you found this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.